after that the July box will arrive and I'm super excited for that. The first 5 of the 9 boxes arrived from the July box. I'm so excited! Good morning everyone, it's Tuesday and it's going to be an exciting day because today I'm working on a really awesome product which I think you're really going to love, especially when you really like autumn and stickers. It's a huge project for me to design, but I'm really excited and I really can't wait for it to be ready. And yesterday all the July products came and I think it's ready for a little sneak peek. This is the first sneak peek. It's the pen. It's a pink pen with a lot of gems and rosé gold accents. I really love it. Then the final sneak peeks, it are actually another 2 sneak peeks. 2 of the sticker sheets, word florals and some boxes. Good morning everyone, it's Wednesday and I'm today finalizing the designs for the product that I'm working on. And I'm also finalizing the list of products that is going into the Planner Advent box. It's going to be a huge box again, with a lot of variation of the best of Planything products. And I'm always really excited to work on this Advent box because it's so cool. And I bet you're going to love it again, like last year. Good morning everyone, it's another new day at the Planything office. It's going to be a busy day. I have to pack a lot of June boxes for shipping on Monday. And I thought it would be time for another planner update where I am right now in the progress. Right now I have some concept designs made for the layouts of the planner. And I'm making a list of all the manufacturers of the planners that I like to contact because I have some preference on the weight of the paper because I don't want it to be thin paper. So I first want to check out which manufacturers have the paper that I like. And I also have to make decisions on the designs and the cover, and that's where I am in the progress right now, which is really excited. I really can't wait to become further in the process and have more information to share.
Kunnen binnen, Jippie? Kom, kom, we gaan bijna weer aan het werk.
Good morning everyone, it's Friday and it's almost weekend and I'm ready for the weekend. Tomorrow I'm going to go at my sister's place because it was her birthday last week. So I'm excited for that, to see my family again. And the June box is almost setting out. Oh my gosh, I'm so thankful for that. I'm so happy you like the box so much. And I'm finalizing the packing for all the boxes for shipping on Monday. And I'm also recording the unboxing of the July box that will be releasing on July 1. But if you are a Patreon member of the Planything community, you will see the unboxing of July right now. So if you want to become a member, hop over to patreon.com/planything and become a member, and you can access the unboxing of the July box. And I'm super excited to see what you all think about it. And well, I'm heading over packing and filming. It was my sister, her birthday last week, and today she's celebrating it. And she's vegan and she created all vegan cake and other little snacks. Going to make some dog ice creams because it's going to be another really hot week.
Someone that smiles at me and someone that's genuine and kind. I hope you think.
Snacks ready for the game.
Het begint deze avond bij deze paas van Marten de Roon. En uiteindelijk...
Good morning everyone, it's Monday again and it's time to bring away the packages to the International Post Office. And yay, yesterday the soccer team won the first game, so we're pretty excited. The next of the day I'm going to work probably on the Christmas box and the Advent box, but I will tell you more about it in the next vlog. I want to thank you for watching this vlog and see you at the next one. Bye!